Hello, my name is Jennifer Chenoweth. My background is as a public artist, a studio artist, and I love to do community engagement. I'm really lucky to have a job with the Museums and Cultural Programs Division of the Parks and Recreation Department, a department I partnered with as an artist, and I really love the way they support arts and culture in Austin. So my job is to curate and manage the Oakwood Cemetery Chapel, which is on the grounds of the historic Oakwood Cemetery, right near downtown Austin. And a lot of the original settlers of Austin are buried here. But they, and all of us are here, replacing the indigenous and native people who were here before that. So I have had the pleasure of working with Heath, who's a member of the Caddo Nation and is one of my employees, to work on understanding Native American history in Austin. And I'm seeing all kinds of things about East Austin in a whole new light, places I have been or driven hundreds of times, and seeing them as the original homelands of indigenous people here. So I'm very excited to host a digital art event for the Austin Studio Tour, used to be called the East Austin Studio Tour, for 2021, of people who would have called any part of North America their native homelands, and host their artworks as part of our original culture creators.
Hi, my name is Amy Heath, and I'm a City of Austin employee at the Oakwood Cemetery Chapel in downtown Austin, Texas. This is a historic cemetery that was established in 1839. This art exhibit will be shown in conjunction with a digital exhibit that the museum is showing online, also called To Relate, which showcases Native American history in the Austin, Texas area. As an enrolled member of the Caddo Nation of Oklahoma, I know through family history that Texas has a long and dense and rich Native American history. My artwork, along with the artwork of other indigenous artists, will be shown in conjunction with this To Relate project, showing that Native American art and culture is still a living and vibrant presence in the community. These artworks show that Native American culture evolves with every piece that is created.